The site that I will explain and present to you in today's episode is a site that I have known for more than 3 years, and if I have proofs of withdrawal and profit from the site, then prove the withdrawal is very large. $30, $30, or $32, $30, $30, $30. All of these are proofs of withdrawal from the site. This site is from work on it, and within 48 hours, meaning 2 days, but you can earn $20 from it. Very excellent, guys. First, when you click on the link in the video description, the site will open for you in this way. You will click on sign up and start writing your name here. You write your first name, your last name, your username, or your name, the user here. You write your email. Here is the password, and you write the password a second time. And of course, it will be a strong password. After that, you click on registration, and after that, you receive a message on your email to activate the account. Very excellent, guys. After you log into the site, it opens with the page that you see. This is the first thing you have. Here it is called micro tasks. Very simple tasks. I will never step on the micro tasks. What is it, guys? These micro tasks are very simple tasks. I have 7 tasks, but there is a bucket available now. I can do them and take a decent amount from them. 32 cents, 10 cents, 40 cents, or 50 cents. Saying 53 cents is like this. 54 cents is like this. I say like this. 50 cents is like this. We got something 60 cents like that is something, 70 like that is something, and 80 cents means less than $1 in 7 missions. So what are these missions, guys? Forget about the story of this time. You can do them in less than. This is very simple because the matter is very simple. Register an account. Activate your account with a free bonus and get a free bonus, but this will take you 7 minutes. No, it is okay to activate your account. However, this requires a desktop or laptop. You will get how many 10 cents here, create a sign up and fill in your data. And that is also the case. There must be a laptop. You cannot work on a mobile phone. Here you make a cine up and take a screenshot. You take 4 cents. This needs you 5 minutes. It does not need you 5 minutes. I mean, it is very, very easy, guys. And the tasks are very, very, very simple. Before we worry about the shows, let us go to the easiest one, which is opinion polls. And I will also tell you how to solve them because they meet, or this is a problem that meets a lot of people. I mean, I wrote to you that the offers are this top or the service polls. This is the top, which is the CBX company. This is an opinion poll. 11 minutes in your hand is 30 cents. This is 20 minutes in your hand. $1.50, which is what they are. 90 cents. This is the same story. 20 minutes in your hands. $1.90. Okay, guys, these opinion polls work in other countries and countries. No. Secondly, before you worry about the poll with your hands or they ask you for your data, what is your name, age, and education? I don't know what. Okay. You are qualified with this data to complete the survey. You will complete, you will not qualify, then you will not complete. This is the problem with the polls. The fault is not in the polls. The fault is in the country. It is in your data that qualifies for the poll. Oh God, we understand this point. Of course, he is telling you that 50 cents is worth $0.50. You have other opinion polls from the company one, more from this company surveys. If you do this on Get Started, you will start writing your email and complete your surveys. If we go to BidQuiz, this company has a lot of surveys, but the surveys are low in price, but you will find most of the surveys working. And here I write down all the surveys for you and how much of it there is. This money is 2 cents, not 20 and nothing. 2 cents means $0.2, which means 2 cents. Because when I was explaining before on a site, I told you that this is 20 cents. 1 inside this is not 20 because it is 0.2. No, this is 20, so I will go and learn mathematics. Okay, guys, as for the RA polls here, it is possible in these polls, for example, that you can find, for example, worth $1.50, $2, $3. Collect them, what is left of them, and see how much you can get to the big missions, guys. These are offers, and in the missions, do the offers. Guys, this is a company. Overtoro is one of the very important companies and very strong in offers. Of course, guys, this is like an application. Let us choose, for example, this application. It says to you, this application, open it, register in it, collect coins as much as you can. Your profit may reach 27.69 cents, which means $20 or $27, a dollar. And 69 cents. 2,000 cents means $20. The 100 cents is around in 2,000 cents, which means $20. This is the same story. It is an application, but it takes about $10 or $18.24. You download it and it takes 2 cents. Of course, stay away from lottery applications or applications. It's a bet. Stay away from it and don't worry about it or come next to it. This is also an application that you download and register in and start working on it. Your profit in it can reach up to $4.55. These are the offers of one company as well. Here in the second opinion polls, you take 22 cents from it. These are the computer offers. If you have a computer, there are no computer offers available here. When you have mobile offers, they are the ones that are available more. They are applications that you download, register on, and play with a little bit. They start taking money. Advice from me. Advice from me. Work on the applications that you win. They will be few. Work on the applications that you won. They will be few and one at a time. Do you have any experience? On the biggest applications, I have a company, AdGate. This is AdGate, guys. It is more expensive and it has opinion polls. It is suitable for the iPhone. It is suitable for the iPad. It is suitable for Android. Okay, you can choose what you want or choose all three together. There is no problem. I will choose the offers that appear to everyone. Here, for example, an account tells you to register an account on this site and complete more offers, and you will receive 114 cents, meaning it is $1.14. This is also an opinion poll for which you will receive 2 poll cents. An opinion for 2 cents. We can only answer opinion polls here, and you start completing your profile. As you can see, you start answering these polls or these questions. If you are qualified, you will start completing the survey. If you are not qualified, that's it. It won't work for you to complete the survey. How can we will withdraw our profits. From the site, we will go down to this, guys and Hindus, on payment settings. This page will open with you. Of course, this page will contain your personal data, your name. Of course, the withdrawal from this site will be via PayPal. This means that the $20 that you owe will be tracked for you via PayPal, and I am sure that your account will be tracked in PayPal. The account must be activated, which means that it must be linked to a bank account or even a link to Visa. The account is activated so that we can send your money to it. This is a very important thing that you must take care of course. Here you write your name, here is the PayPal email, and here you have 2 options. Whether you withdraw the $20, they have 150 referrals, but the $30 without any referral is not necessary for a referral. This means that instead of doing 20 in 2 days, no, you will do, for example, 30 in 3 days and nothing, and start withdrawing the $30. You have 150 referrals that have brought, for example, your friends have been able to register through you, so you can withdraw $20 as a limit. And it assures you that if you send on an email that is not activated, there will be a problem in receiving the profits, or the one that is PayPal is not activated. This means that after you write your data, you go to start payment information, and when you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, you start the step on request pay, and here it is. But the site is there. A small drawback is the delay in sending payments. This means that it tells you that when you withdraw your profits, the issue will take, for example, up to 10 days before we start sending you your $20. This means 10 to 15 days for the payment to be sent, and this is for them to review your account and make sure of the quality of the referrals and the work that you have done. Without using a VPN, after that, you will find it sending you your profits without any problems. Also, the site here has something called online review. If we click on it like this, it will tell you to do a review on one of these sites. This means that after you work on the site and withdraw your profits, God willing, do a review on these sites, trust the site and withdraw their profits, and get a screenshot or get your review link and put your review link here and start sending it to the site, and the site has 10 quota in your hand, and this quota, guys, is like opportunities to start completing a job on the site. You know when you collect points to complete a job in the place? What you are in is the same story as this story. You take 10 kuta points. This is everything about the site that I explained to you in detail from beginning to end. I hope that I have been correct in explaining everything. If there is something that I forgot to say, ask me about it in the comments, and God willing, I will answer you so that you do not forget the competition. At the beginning of the video, so that you can participate with us and guarantee that you will be one of the winners, and do not forget to follow us on the Facebook page. The most important thing is to like the video so that just as you benefited from the information, others will benefit. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you, and may God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.